It's Patrick at Pals. Today, Lester is going to tell us about the importance of struts in any car.
Okay, your struts are part of your front suspension. They keep the tire firmly on the ground, so it gives you stability, and it decreases your braking distance because the tires staying on the ground, keeping you in contact with the ground. We're changing the ones in this Nissan here because they went bad and they're not doing what they're designed to do, and that's keep the tire firmly on the ground, and the bearing plates and all that are just wore out. Today I'm installing a new one. They fit up in here.
And that is a complete strut, isn't it, Wes?
Yes.
So it has a spring built into it with all the mounts.
Correct.
In the old days, we used to have to separate the springs, right?
Right, because nowadays they sell them as a complete unit, so that way you're getting all new spring, all new bushings, all new turn plates, everything. Otherwise, in the old days, you had to get each piece individual.
So this is a better result for the consumer because they're getting all brand new parts instead of some new and some old.
Correct.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. If you have a car with struts, and most do, bring it to Pals. See you soon.